Hello, welcome back to Lux for Technology. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. VirtualBox is a free and powerful application that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your computer without affecting your main system. Whether you want to test a new version of Windows, try out Linux, or safely experiment with software, VirtualBox makes it easy by creating virtual machines that act like separate computers inside of your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Download VirtualBox. First, open your web browser. Next, navigate to the official site. The URL can be found on the screen and in the description box. Then click Download. Under VirtualBox Platform Packages, click Windows Hosts. This downloads the installer.exe file. Step 2. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded file, usually under Downloads. Double-click to launch the Startup Wizard. This will require admin permissions to install. Click Next through the options. Default settings are fine. Accept the end-user license agreement and click Next. Leave the default settings in Custom Setup. Here you can change the installation location if preferred and click Next. If prompted about network disconnections, save any open work requiring network connection prior to proceeding and then click Yes. If prompted for missing dependencies, click Yes. Click Next, leaving the default startup options. Click Install and wait for it to finish. Click Finish and the application will automatically open. Minimize the Downloads folder to view the application. Step 3. Launch VirtualBox. Open the Start menu and search for VirtualBox. You'll see the main dashboard where you can create new virtual machines. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Lux for Technology for more IT tips, tricks and knowledge.